Hey friends, welcome to the YouTube channel all about electronics. So in this question, on a one side we have been given the list of ADCs and on the second side we have been given the characteristics. So we have to match the ADC with its characteristic, and for that we have been given the 4 different codes. So let us see which one is the correct one. Now we know that the flash type ADC is the fastest ADC. That means it has the fastest conversion time. That means for the flash type ADC, this second option is the correct one. Then if we talk about the successive approximation type ADC, then the conversion time depends on the number of bits. That means for the n bit of ADC, the conversion time would be equal to n times t clock. And hence, for the successive approximation type ADC, 3 is the correct option. Now if we talk about the counter type ADC, then it uses the DAC in the feedback path. And in fact, we have already seen that when we have discussed the counter type ADC on our main channel. Then if we talk about the dual slope ADC, then it is the integrating type. And that is evident from its block diagram. That means for the counter type ADC, this option 4 is the correct one, while for the dual slope ADC, the option 1 is the correct one. That means if we see the overall sequence or the overall code, then for the ABCD, it would be equal to 2, 3, 4, 1. That means from this we can say that the A is the correct option.